In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your furniture on Facebook Marketplace. We'll walk through the exact taps inside the Facebook app, and I'll share simple tips so your listing looks great and reaches the right buyers. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. On most devices, you'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. It's usually at the top right, though on some phones it may sit at the bottom. Tap that menu to open your shortcuts. From the menu, choose Marketplace. The icon looks like a small storefront. This is Facebook's built-in buying and selling hub, and it's where local shoppers browse categories like furniture every day. Inside Marketplace, tap Sell. This is the button that starts a new listing. You'll be prompted to pick the type of listing you want to create. When you're asked to choose what to sell, select the option that fits. For furniture, the best match is the standard items option. Tap Items to continue. Next, set the category. Pick furniture so your listing appears in the correct filters. Accurate categorization helps more of the right people find you, and it reduces off-topic messages. Now enter the details of the item you want to sell. Add clear, well-lit photos first. Include a front view, a side angle, any unique features, and close-ups of wear so buyers know exactly what to expect. Write a short, descriptive title like solid wood dining table, 6 seats, and use the description to add dimensions, materials, color, brand if known, age, and condition notes. Set a fair price based on similar items you see in Marketplace. If you're open to negotiation, consider pricing slightly above your minimum. Choose your location so buyers understand your general area, and use the category and tags to improve search visibility. If prompted, you can select preferences like allowing offers or marking the item as available for pickup. Avoid sharing any personal contact details in the description. Use Marketplace messaging instead. When everything looks good, tap Publish at the top right. Your listing will go live in Marketplace. If you spot a typo or want to swap a photo, you can edit the listing afterward without starting over. That's the full process from start to publish. Open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, start a new listing, choose items, set furniture as the category, fill in solid details, and publish. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your sale.